So good afternoon everyone. So today I'll be shooting a very special video of head of department of community medicine. So इस वीडियो में हम उनका पर्सपेक्टिव और उनका एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग इन दिस फील्ड हम बताएंगे. सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. May I come in, sir?
Yeah,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon.
सर आई हैड फ्यू क्वेश्चंस इन माय माइंड. एक्चुअली सर आपका एक छोटा सा इंटरव्यू लेना था रिगार्डिंग कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन का क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है इन द कम्युनिटी एंड मतलब एक नॉन मेडिको को और एक मेडिको को कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन के बारे में क्या पता होना चाहिए. जस्ट अ इनफॉर्मल इंटरव्यू सर. सर कैन यू अलाउ?
Please have a seat.
यस सर. थैंक यू सर. So, sir, I'll ask some few personal questions. It is about your experience up till now in community medicine. So, sir, first question, when you look back at your journey, what was the phase that truly shaped you? Not just as a doctor, but as a public health professional.
Okay. I was in the army for most of my public health specialist stint. So one of the best period which shaped me was as at a younger age, I was posted to the highest level in the Director General Office of the Armed Forces, where the health people were making policies.
Okay.
So at a younger age only, I could have a bird's eye view of how a public health specialist is to perform so that you can get a great experience from the top down approach.
Okay. Okay, sir. What was there must be some moments when you were questioned about your decision to stay in community medicine. What made you, मतलब वो क्या turning point था जब आपको लगा कि you should continue in this branch?
See, as a community medicine specialist, you often run against a wall, and that's the thing which may put you off or may put you in the back foot. There are certain periods when you are doing practice of public health. There are maybe periods when there is nothing much to do on ground.
Okay, sir.
But always we used to think that there has been a period when you have to just take a step back, do introspection, do a bit of studies, and always think that there is light at the end of the tunnel.
Okay, sir. So I'm sure, sir, there must be so many hurdles in between. Okay, next question, sir. Who or what had the biggest influence on your thinking to come into this field? Was any mentor or any experience or any particular event which was the biggest influence?
I always had something like a community related approach towards medicine in mind.
Okay, sir.
But one of my biggest mentors in the public health was one General Mandeep Singh.
Okay,
He
sir.
was one of the doyens of public health, and I had the fortune of serving with him and being his junior.
Okay.
He mentored me in such a way where you can do practice of public health and policy making, how you can put two and two together.
Okay, sir. This is something very interesting question, I would say, sir. If you to your younger self, when as a MBBS student, if you could see yourself today as an HOD, what do you think that would surprise you the most?
Okay. As students, yes, I always used to feel that this is a speciality which it is beyond my scope. It is too huge.
Okay.
But when I see that, on the other side of the fence, I feel that a thing which can be done in a bigger perspective, in a larger canvas of life, this is the one where the medical students can always take a challenge.
Okay. But sir, आपने कभी ऐसा सोचा था, मतलब did you ever thought कि you will become HOD of a department someday, मतलब just
Oh no, the HOD was never in my mind.
Okay.
I was always a practicing public health specialist.
Okay.
So after practicing the specialty for such a long time, then a time comes when you feel that I should be giving it back to the society or to my community. So my community was the medical fraternity. So I
Okay.
thought that I can come as a teacher,
Okay.
and that actually as a teaching fraternity, I always feel that you should be on the field and practice whatever your specialty is, and then come as a teacher, and you'll be better equipped to explain to the students what this specialty is all about. And of course, the HOD comes as and when you become the senior and all.
Okay, that's a part and parcel of.
Part and parcel.
Okay. So sir, some reality questions I wanted to ask before we move further. अगर सर आपको explain करना हो to about community medicine to anyone जिसको पता नहीं है about medical branch or what a community medicine person or public health specialist do, तो सर आप उसको कैसे explain करेंगे? How would you describe that person?
देखिए, अभी आप कभी किसी डॉक्टर के चेम्बर में जाएंगे तो पीछे एक बहुत ही कॉमन फ्रेज ऊपर लिखा रहता है, प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर।
यस सर।
यानी कि आप किसी को ट्रीटमेंट करने से पहले अगर उसको प्रिवेंट कर सकें, वो सबसे बेहतर होगा एट अ लेसर कॉस्ट। आपको ज्यादा परेशानी नहीं होगी पहले उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए। इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल है कोविड।
यस।
कोविड के टाइम पे आपने देखा होगा कि ट्रीटमेंट हमारे पास ज्यादा नहीं था, मगर हमने प्रिवेंशन के जरिए पूरे इस महामारी को हमने रोक पाई।
Yes, definitely, sir. So, okay, next question. Why do you think community medicine is often misunderstood as compared to clinical branch? मतलब जो सर clinical और non-clinical, paraclinical का वो tussle रहता है, do you think it is justified or is it?
देखिए, सबसे जो एक दिस इज अ ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी, रिजल्ट्स। हम जब भी कुछ करते हैं तो हमें रिजल्ट्स देखने को चाहिए। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द क्यूरेटिव मेडिसिन एंड प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन इज, क्यूरेटिव मेडिसिन में आपको तुरंत उस समय रिजल्ट दिखेगा।
Yes, sir.
प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन का रिजल्ट थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, थोड़ा वक्त लगता है। सो यू टेक टाइम टू गेट द कंप्लीट रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द कम्युनिटी पर्सन।
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. It was very crisp answer. That made it very clear, sir. What is that one thing about this field that only becomes clear after years of working in it?
देखिए, प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन में एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मुद्दा है, दैट इज टीम वर्क।
Yes.
जो टीम वर्क के लिए हमें इकट्ठे काम करने का आदत डालना पड़ता है, एंड उसके लिए एक और चीज है जो कि मैंने इससे पहले बताया, दैट इज द टाइम इट टेक्स टू गेट द रिजल्ट्स। इसीलिए परसिवरेंस एंड टीम वर्क आर टू इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स एज फार एज दिस स्पेशलिटी इज कंसर्न्ड।
Okay, sir. I'm sure many students see this subject as just theory based कि इसमें बस theory ही है, बाहर कुछ जाना नहीं है, कुछ clinical work नहीं है, we don't have to see any patients. So what part of community medicine is actually the most real and impactful according to you, sir? आपका जो भी experience.
देखिए, एक मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ।
Yes.
जो मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि एवरीवन वांट्स इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट। प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन या कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन में एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट है, दैट इज एपिडेमिक कंट्रोल।
Okay.
सो इफ आई फील दैट कहीं पे अगर एपिडेमिक कंट्रोल का मौका मिले किसी कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट को, उसके जरिए यू कैन ऑलवेज शो दी community oblique your people around or your administrators what this specialty is all.
Okay, sir. तो सर आई एम श्योर देर आर मेनी बडिंग पब्लिक हेल्थ स्पेशलिस्ट और काफ़ी ऐसे लोग हैं जो इस ब्रांच के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं कि इसमें आगे स्कोप क्या है, कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन के आगे होता क्या है. सो लुकिंग अहेड, हाउ डू यू सी द रोल ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट इवॉल्विंग इन नेक्स्ट 10 to 15 years?
देखिए, पोस्ट कोविड इनफैक्ट द स्कोप ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन हैज इंक्रीज्ड इन लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. पहले देयर नेवर यूज्ड टू बी मच ऑफ presence of community medicine specialists in the medical fraternity as such.
Okay.
But now there is now more awareness what is the role of this specialty in the bigger canvas of medical sciences.
Okay.
One of the major things where our specialists can make their mark is practicing of public health, where they are keeping lots of vacancies and be a part of the policy making. Another place where the future specialists can think of is the data sciences, because we are expert in epidemiology, which has got a large part of it being the data science, and AI being the future of data science. Therein also, I think our specialists can make a mark.
Okay. So, what are the new opportunities or career paths do you think today's resident who are currently pursuing community medicine should actively prepare for? मतलब उनको पता ही होना चाहिए कि आगे ये होने ही वाला है.
And this is almost a continuity of this the previous question.
Yes.
Data science is number one. I should always say that
Okay.
one should start picking up the data science as their first at the first opportune moment and try to do some sort of a specialization or expertise in epidemiology.
Okay.
And another place, of course, they can always make their presence felt is, as I said, be in the topmost hierarchy, being in the policy making.
Okay, sir. So yes, I agree, sir. Community medicine का policy making में बहुत अच्छा role है. Next question, sir. In your experience, how important is leadership training in shaping a successful community medicine professional?
It is number one. As I said, the teamwork is the backbone of practice of public health. So once you have a team with you, your leadership will also has to be number one or the topmost.
Okay, sir. So, sir, next question being, do you think community medicine will play a bigger role in shaping healthcare systems in India in coming years? अगर ऐसा लगता है, sir, आपको, then how it will shape?
See, I feel the curative medicine has reached its splendor. The preventive medicine has got a lot of scope.
Okay.
And they can really make a difference in each and every medical fraternity or oblique the medical subjects which are there, and everywhere the preventive part is now got a much bigger canvas to show rather than the curative medicine. The molecules which are coming up for the various antibiotics, the various treatment procedures have almost reached up something like the zenith. After that, the progress will be slow, but the preventive medicine will soon be able to catch up with them.
Okay, so sir, मतलब जैसा आपको लगता है कि मतलब community medicine is still in its budding phase. It will grow and prosper in future. Okay. So sir, there are many students who wants to take community medicine. After COVID, as you said sir, the dynamics have been changed. काफी लोग curative से ज़्यादा preventive की तरफ आ रहे हैं. So what kind of student is naturally suited for community medicine? Is there any criteria for it कि अच्छा ये लड़का या लड़की community medicine के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, and not just academically but in mindset and in personality?
See, one of the first thing when you are coming to this specialty is you should have some sort of a community perspective of health. You should not limit to the elephants, white elephants, which are which are treating people at their own domain, but come out and be in the bigger holistic or bigger canvas of the society where you can deliver yourself. That first thing is that.
Okay.
And of course, the second thing is you should have a lot of perseverance along with it. Because community medicine, as I said, the results needs time and effect, and so you should not lose heart.
Okay, rightly said, sir. So, sir, next question. What is that one mistake you commonly must have seen in residents which make they make during their training period, and that could be avoidable, but they usually do it? So, any?
It is basically what earlier you said, that thinking process that community medicine is a theory-based thing. I would insist that the residents go into the field and understand whatever they are being taught or they are reading in the books, that is there on the field or not. Secondly, there is always a tendency amongst all, in fact, residents, it's not restricted to the community medicine, that is use of AI and the chat.
Yes, sir. It is very common these days with the use of ChatGPT. आजकल तो सर thesis भी ChatGPT से बन जाता है. Next question, sir. If a student is confused between a clinical branch and community medicine, how they should approach that decision realistically? I mean, they should continue with their thought of कि अच्छा clinically ले लेते हैं, या फिर उनको community medicine के लिए एक thought देना चाहिए.
The fact that one has to have a bit of patience while practicing community medicine. the first thing is that the students should not expect big results in this field. Second is they should think in a bigger canvas of things. One should not be thinking of only one patient or one single problem which they are facing when they are seeing or treating a patient. They should look beyond that and think of treating the larger community as a whole.
ओके ये सर आई एग्री सर जैसे एक कोई भी क्यूरेटिव एस्पेक्ट के अगर कोई पेशेंट आता है सो दे कंसल्टेंट जस्ट सी दैट पेशेंट एंड वी एज कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन वी गो आउट इन द कम्युनिटी एंड हम पूरी कम्युनिटी को देख रहे हैं सो आई एग्री सर पेशेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस फील्ड एंड व्हाट इज दैट वन हैबिट और स्किल यू बिलीव एवरी रेसिडेंट शुड डेवलप अर्ली इन देयर टू ग्रो इन दिस फील्ड एक स्किल या और भी स्किल अगर है तो सर
One of the major thing which the community medicine residents they should know is how to build up teamwork. They should know that to take together with the complete in fact it starts off with the first thing is with your peers when they are together all the residents, and second but the most important thing is how to convince your administrators that whatever you are thinking is for the betterment of the whole community rather than for one person. Because medicine as a whole is always looked upon as being practiced in the hospitals. So majority of the laymen or the administrators, they just think medicine being a hospital-based thing. When we are talking as practicing of public health, we are thinking of the bigger things being in society or the community or the family as such. So that is the point when you have to convince that whatever the practice which I am going to implement is with the help of the administrators. I cannot do it on my own.
Yes.
I have to bank on them to get this thing done. So you have to have a good convincing power to get over the administrators.
Okay. So, sir, I think not only the clinical part, but I think also the administrative part. So, both the things you should know and should do side by side. So, now some fiery questions I would like to ask. It's either of one thing you have to choose, and if you want to justify, you can justify also. But it's a rapid fire. So, sir, prevention or cure?
Prevention, obviously.
Okay. Field work or policy making?
Field work first and then policy.
Okay. Data or decision making?
Decision making, definitely. Data is always there with us, but decision making, what to do with the data is very important.
Yes, sir. One skill every future community medicine specialist must master.
As I said before, the convincing power to the administrators, that is the most important thing, because Baki, the knowledge is always there at your fingertips. By the time you practice specialty, you are always a master of your specialty. But
Yes.
how to put it across, that is the most important.
Yes, sir. Community medicine in one word.
All encompassing.
Okay, sir. So, sir, now some last few questions. What is the one change you would like to see in how community medicine is taught in India? Do you think in India it is taught very less or it is very more? Any change you would like to ask for it?
See, our country has got so much of scope for practicing public health or community medicine. The Western world has already, got over all those problems which are being faced by in the practice of public health. We have so much of scope. So one of the first thing which the students should learn is the complete country has their utility to be absorbed. So they are supposed to be utilized in most of the field, and that is where the community health, the teachers or of the faculty should try to inform or get the students to practice public health in the community on the field condition.
Okay. So, sir, matlab utilization of resources should be more,
Yes.
according to you. Okay, sir. So, what gives you hope when you look at the next generation of doctors or the next budding public health specialist?
I feel one of the first thing is they are very enthusiastic. Number
Okay, sir.
one.
Thank you,
And
sir.
the second part is they are innovative. Public health has got a lot of innovations when you are practicing their specialty.
Okay.
You have to, each and every situation needs a special a plan, a special approach, which is never taught in the books. This is when you inculcate while practicing on the field. So, which I feel the innovations and the the thinking process of the future is much better than what we have.
Okay, sir. So, sir, if any student comes to you and you just have 30 seconds to convince that student कि अच्छा community medicine ले लो, so this is the best thing you can have. So, what would you say in just 30 seconds, sir?
I will definitely tell them the first word that prevention is better than cure, and the amount of effort which you put in treating one patient is nothing compared when you are talking of the complete community. Giving an example of a control of an epidemic.
Okay, sir. And last question, sir. Community medicine in one powerful sentence.
This specialty is going to take the world ahead because there is what is called an epidemiological transition which is occurring in our country. So this specialty has got the know-how, and as I said, it is all encompassing. So all these specialists have to depend on the preventive measures in future, and hence community medicine, preventive medicine has got a bigger role, much bigger than all these specialties put together.
Okay, sir. So thank you so much for the interview, sir. Thank you so much for the time. And I'm sure कि students को काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. They must have learned a lot from it. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.